Today I want to show you something I find really satisfying about grades and how they can make a tricky problematic problem almost obvious. Let's start with a 6 by 6 grade, and if we count all the cells there are 36. There are 36 total. Let's assign value to each row and each column. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 4 5 6. Now focus on the diagonal, the cell where the row number equal to the column numbers. These are, and if we count, we can say there are total 6 diagonal. So let's assign equal value to all diagonal cells. And if we manage this diagonal to equal, there are 13 left. Now count the upper triangle and lower triangle. There are total of 15 upper and 15 lower triangle. So we can say diagonal divides upper triangle and lower triangle into equal cells. Now if we compare the value of column and value of row in upper triangle, we can find all row are less than the column in upper triangle, and vice versa for the lower triangle. So we can say that in a lower triangle the rows are greater than column, and in upper triangle rows are less than the column, and diagonal both are equal. Now let's focus on a problem. You roll a fair 6-sided die twice. Calculate the probability that the value of the first roll is strictly less than the value of the second roll. Now let's try this problem with the grid. Suppose row represent R1 roll 1 and column represent roll 2, and from grid we can say that in upper triangle all value of roll 1 is less than all value of roll 2. So the probability of our roll 1 is greater than roll 2 is 15 divided by total 36 is equal to 5 by 12. And we can also see that in lower triangle roll 1 is greater than roll 2. So probability of roll 1 is greater than roll 2 is also 5 by 12. Let's recheck this with formula. In 6 in their total probability is 36, and probability of roll 1 equals to roll 2 is 112266, total 6. Then remaining probability is 36 minus 6 equal to 30, and we know the probability of R1 less than R2 is equal to probability of R1 greater than R2. So therefore 30 by 2 is 15, and probability of R1 less than R2 become 15 by 36 equal to 5 by 12. Thank you for watching.